Okay. Tell me, are the voice and screen clear? All okay? Are the voice and screen clear? All okay? Yes? Okay, fine. So, a very good morning to all of you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Today, for the first around like 10-15 minutes, I will conduct lecture on this board because I want to show you the directions of cross products. Okay, with the help of one more simple technique. Okay. So, so write down the heading. Write down the heading as right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Write down the heading as right hand thumb rule. Okay. Now, what is this right hand thumb rule? To decide direction of right hand thumb rule, to decide the direction of right hand thumb rule, to decide the direction of cross product. Direction of cross product. In the cross product, we use screw rule. Whether the screw will go in or will come out, that we decide, right? Just like that, there is one more rule which can be used to decide the direction of cross product. To decide the direction of cross product. Okay. The rule is very simple. The rule is very simple. Write down. Rotate. Excuse me 1 second. Fine. Just write down the rule as the rule is rotate the curled fingers. Just keep on writing. Rotate the curled fingers. Rotate the curled fingers of your right hand. Of your right hand. Rotate the curled fingers of your right hand in the sense of sequence of cross product, in the sense of or in the sequence of, in the sense or in the sense of or sequence of cross product, the sequence of cross product, in the sense of or in the sequence of cross product, the thumb or then the outstretched, just keep on writing, STRETCHED, then the outstretched thumb, gives direction of cross product, gives direction of cross product. Then the outstretched thumb gives the direction of cross product. Okay. So it says something about curled fingers. Okay. And it says something about thumb. With the help of the right hand, we can decide whether the cross product will go in or will come out. Okay. That has been written in this law. Let's try to understand the law. Let us say that this is the first vector A bar. Let us say that this is the first vector A bar, and let us say that this is the second vector B bar. First of all, we must arrange these two vectors starting from same point. If they are not starting from same point, you have to arrange them. Let's say this B bar is somewhere else here. You will move this B bar and you will place that B bar here so that you can observe angle between A bar and B bar, making A bar and B bar co-initial. Making A bar and B bar co-initial. Okay. Now once you make the A bar and B bar co-initial, what you have to do is this: you have to use your right hand. You have to use your right hand. You have to outstretch the thumb, not like this, like this. It should be like this, not like this, not like this. It should be like this. You have to outstretch the thumb. So now you have outstretched the thumb and you have to curl your fingers, and you have to curl your fingers. Okay, now you will find out the direction of cross product A cross B. A bar cross B bar ची डायरेक्शन कशी काढायची? काय नाही, सिक्वेन्स काय आहे? व्हॉट इज द सिक्वेन्स? A bar cross B bar. Outstretch the thumb, outstretch the thumb, and use your curled fingers. Use your curled fingers to give the sense of rotation from A cross B, A to B. A कडून B कडे curled fingers घेऊन चला. A कडून B कडे curled fingers घेऊन चला. A cross B coming out आला. A cross B coming out. A cross B coming out. A cross B coming out. So you can write direction of A bar cross B bar. काय आली? डायरेक्शन ऑफ A bar cross B bar. राइट हँड वापरायचं आहे. कर्ल्ड फिंगर्स नी A क्रॉस B करा. कर्ल्ड फिंगर्स A कडून B कडे गेल्या पाहिजेत. A क्रॉस B, thumb will point out. So direction of cross product is coming out. Coming out. Direction of cross product is coming out. Coming out means dot. Coming out म्हणजे काय? डॉट. समजा हा पेन बाहेर यायला लागलाय तर तुम्हाला याचं टिप दिसेल ना. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज डॉट. कमिंग आउट. अँड डायरेक्शन ऑफ बी क्रॉस ए. डायरेक्शन ऑफ बी बार क्रॉस ए बार. Check what is the smaller angle between A bar and B bar. This is theta. Do not consider this larger angle. You have to consider smaller angle. So you will consider this angle. So now let us try to find out B bar cross A bar. So you have to use your right hand. You have to curl the fingers. You have to stretch the thumb. Then the sense of rotation should be B cross A. B cross A. B cross A. Thumb is going in. Thumb is going in. So cross product going in. B cross A. Thumb is going in. Cross product going in. A cross B. A कडून B कडे. A cross B. Thumb coming out. B cross A. Thumb going in. Thumb gives the direction of cross product. Thumb gives direction of cross product. So B cross A direction is going in. B cross A direction is going in. Going in. Going in means cross. If this marker is going in, then you will observe the cross. Okay, assume it as an arrow. तो एक arrow ऐसे assume करा. Now reply me in the chat box. Is this rule clear to all of you? Reply me small c. Small c for clear. Good. Good. Fine. All right. Now we'll switch back again to our regular method. Okay. Fine. Now just wait for 1 minute. Okay, please wait for a minute. Tell me, are the voice and screen clear? All okay? Yes, okay, good, thank you. Fine. All right, so everyone concentrate back again. In the yesterday's lecture, I gave you some examples to try out. Hope all of you have tried it. These are the examples. These are the examples. Let me paste them here. काही examples होते ना काल दिलेले homework मधले. Let us try those examples. Let us try solving those examples. तुम्ही try केलेला असेलच. Let us try together. Fine. Now let me check what was the first question. Everyone try solving along with me. Question number 1. A bar cross B bar will be equal to, first you will write the determinant, then you will write I, J, K, then you will write coefficient of first vector 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, then you write 2, 3, 4, okay, 2, 3, 4, and then you will write coefficient of second vector 3, 4, minus 5, 3, 4, minus 5, okay, 3, 4, minus 5, okay, then you will write 3, 4, minus 5. Now I told you that initially you have to write I into bracket, एकदा लिहायचं plus I, मग minus J, परत plus K, so plus I. Leave the column of I चा column सोडा. Leave the row of I चा row पण सोडा. I चा row सोडला, I चा column सोडला. Cross multiplication, subtraction. Put a square bracket. Cross multiplication 3 into minus 5. 3 into minus 5. Again this cross multiplication 4 into 4. 4 into 4. Cross multiplication, subtraction. I चा bracket झाला. Minus. आता मायनस लिहायचं प्लस आय मायनस जे प्लस के, प्लस आय झाला मायनस जे इन द ब्रॅकेट, जे चा कॉलम सोडा, जे चा रो सोडा. लीव दी कॉलम ऑफ जे, लीव दी रो ऑफ जे, लीव दी कॉलम ऑफ जे, लीव दी रो ऑफ जे. व्हॉट रिमेन्स 2, minus 5, 4 and 3. Cross multiplication, subtraction. 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5. This cross multiplication 3 into 4.